Okay, language explorer. So let's look at life. 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 On today's Monday noun. So life. Being able to do and say things. Do. Do. And say things. Yes. When things can grow, eat, nom nom, are sensitive, ooh, and breathe. Breathe. What is the origin of life? There is life at the bottom of the sea. Bottom of the sea. On earth, there is life there's life everywhere. Everywhere. Land, mountains, air, ocean, sea, everywhere. And then we say live. So why do cats have 9 lives? So life, 1, singular. Lives, 2, plural. Yeah. So we can save a lot of lives today. We can save a lot of lives today. Yeah, by our decisions. Yeah. We can see all sorts of lives or living animals in the forest. Animals, creatures and insects. Yes, makes sense. Yeah. How cool is that? So she had a different life before she met me. The way she used to live before she met me was different. So her life was different before she met me. She used to think differently, have different priorities, different plans, different ideas. But then her life will change when we get married, for example. Yeah, that's it. Her life will change. The things she can do will be different. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. And our life is very comfortable. Our lifestyle, our lives together is comfortable. My life is very relaxed. Relaxed. Easy. Yeah. Our lives have changed since then. Our lives have changed since then. Things are different. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, we will have a better life in the future. I'm working to have a better life tomorrow. Yeah. We will have better lives in the future. In the future. Yes. Our lives might change when that happens. When that happens, our lives might change in the future. Yes. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So life, being able to do and say things. Life and lives. Different lives are here. My life is different. How cool is that? So can you use life in a sentence? can you use life in your own sentence? And comment below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search Adrian or English with Adrian. Yes. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.